Inside one of the world's largest aircraft factories, thousands of engineers and technicians work together to build commercial airplanes with extraordinary precision. Every structural component is machined to extremely tight tolerances, ensuring strength, safety, and perfect alignment.
Advanced robotic systems and skilled technicians unite massive fuselage sections into a single aircraft structure.
Composite wings are carefully aligned and secured, creating the aircraft's aerodynamic foundation.
Each high-bypass turbofan engine is installed with millimeter-level precision for maximum efficiency and reliability. Inside the aircraft, thousands of electrical connections and advanced avionics systems are kept.
Before delivery, every aircraft undergoes rigorous inspections to meet the highest safety and quality standards.
After months of engineering excellence, the finished aircraft begins its journey toward flight, ready to connect people across the world.